Hi everyone, it's Jan here again from the Fit Federation. Yeah, I've got a little bit of a cold, so mind my funny voice. Little video today is about something that I got asked a couple of times this week. It's about flavored milk. What do you think about flavored milk? Because there's also sort of rumors going around apparently like, oh, it's really good and energy-wise, and it's a awesome post-workout meal and that sort of stuff. So yeah, let's start from scratch. In general, there's probably nothing wrong as such with flavored milk. It's usually full cream milk, just to have a bit of a nicer flavor, and that obviously is a good source of protein and a bit of energy for you. Now, the other thing what you have to consider, there is usually 3 ways of making something taste good. Yeah, so 3 ways of making a product taste good. First one is sugar, second one is fat, or an artificial sweetener. So if you buy your whey protein, yeah, most of the time artificial sweeteners, same with any protein bars or something. If it tastes good and if it's tastes too good to be true, not true, but you know what I mean. If it tastes good and has low calories, you can be sure it's an artificial sweetener. Okay, that's a bit off the subject. Now, yeah, flavored milk. If it's not any muscle or whey protein or anything from a supplement shop, then it's usually flavored milk with either high in sugar or fat. And you find most of the times it says something like reduced fat, which is a bit of a marketing thing. It makes it sound healthier. So you can be sure if the fat is down, the sugar is up, like I said. Otherwise it just wouldn't taste nice, have this awesome vanilla or coffee or whatever taste. Yeah, so that's basically what you have to be aware of, because most of the time, if you have a flavored milk, you're drinking the calorie equivalent of a full-size meal, basically, or a little meal at least. Yeah. What else can I say to that? Oh yeah, the post-workout. Yeah, it's probably true to an extent, because you're working out, you're using up all your glycogen, so you want to have some sort of fast energy, which in that case is the sugar. Yeah, probably helps, so nothing wrong with that. So yeah, flavored milk, probably good once in a while, but be aware of the calories. Okay, see you next time, bye.